Hi y'all, welcome back. I just got the shipment in last night. It's another box of fireworks, basically from Overstock Fireworks.com. Definitely check out the website if you guys are interested. Whatever, they still have a ton of stock in, from what I understand. But in this box, you're not going to see nothing that's crazy. It's going to blow up the neighborhood type of deal. This is going to be more of the fun stuff that I can do for 2 or 3 days, because what is the first on a Thursday this year. So then basically, I don't know if I'll do it on Thursday, maybe, you know, some jumping jacks, stuff like that on Thursday. But Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I plan on going full-blown show every single night. But this is just like fill-in stuff, keep the kids entertained for a few days while we're basically having a fire and drinking beer. So let's go ahead and open this box up and see what we got. So it's super heavy, guys. I mean, I got a ton of stuff in here. It's a lot of small stuff, but it's a ton of stuff. All right, so first up, we have the Dominator. This is basically just rockets, guys. It's all rockets in here. It's pretty cool. Definitely, I don't know how many, it doesn't really say how many pieces are in it, guys, but I mean, there's a ton of stuff in this package. So we'll throw that off on the side. Maybe we'll open it up later on, or you guys are just gonna see me blowing everything up, right? So what I did order was a ton of Roman candles. So this one is Shooting Stars. This is by Oh My God Fireworks right here. And that's 12 of them. Then we got a Blue Thunder, Oh My God candles. And the reason why I ordered so many Roman candles, here's another one. This is Oh My God Fireworks also. And this is magical. Oh, there's another one, sorry. And then this is just a regular Fisherman Fireworks. I never heard of it, guys. You let me know if you ever heard of them. I'm not really sure about them, to be honest with you. But what I did was, I ordered a bunch of Roman candles. If you guys go back, I mentioned a couple times that I was making these Roman candle racks. So I'll just grab one just for instance, just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So this is a Roman candle rack that I made right here. So this one holds 12 Roman candles. I have one that holds 8. Holds in there pretty good. It should be fun. I can't wait till the 4th to, probably before that we'll start testing these out and see how they work. But definitely look out for that. And if you guys want one of these, let me know. I'll probably start giving these away or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out eventually. All right, so we got Night Stalker bottle rockets. Well, I mean, these are rockets. They're not bottle rockets. They're rockets from World Class Fireworks. Throw that to the side. One thing I saw that definitely really sparked my interest was this Happy Family Millennium Falcon, the plastic ship, right? You guys could check that out. That's pretty cool. This one's a little busted, but we can put that back together. All right, that's good. But I thought this would be really cool. It probably does some kind of spinning motion or something, because they're kind of angled. See how they're angled? But I thought that would be kind of cool. The kids will definitely enjoy that. So I ordered 2 of those. There's another one right there. You can't have a show without fireworks. So here's 1,000 World Class Fireworks. And then it should be, yep. So there's a second one in there. I don't know if I ordered these Oh My God snaps, or they gave them to me. I honestly, I don't know. But if you guys watched me keep lighting these, they're all right. They're pretty loud. We'll throw that to the side. Mason will have a blast with that. All right, so Saturn missiles, 25 shots, Dominator fireworks. This is probably one of the heaviest ones I've ever felt as far as 25 shot Saturn missiles. The battery, that's kind of heavy. But either way, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so it looks like we have 4 of those all together. So we'll throw those to the side. Then we got, what is this? 96 shots, color pearl flower, Dominator fireworks. So we'll check that out. I think we got a couple of these. I'm not sure. I don't remember, guys, to be totally honest with you. I just went on there and I started ordering things, and you know, I see little things and I'm like, oh cool, I'll try that, I'll try that. And by the time you know it, you know, my shopping cart's full of a bunch of stuff, right? So my favorite thing, probably of all time, is the 200 shot missiles. I love these things. These are green glitter missile battery, sorry about that, from Shogun Fireworks. And I don't know if this is different. Oh, this says flaming balls and reports, so I'm not really sure, guys. I don't know if this is like a regular missile. I don't know. Maybe you could tell me. Maybe you already tried it. If not, we're gonna see it in a couple weeks, right? So here we got a Dominator Fireworks Mighty Mini. This says 7 shots, silver tail. Who knows? We'll see what happens, right? Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 500 firecrackers. So 100 in each roll. So there's 500 there. And this is a SNAFU. I don't know. You guys let me know what that stands for, because I can't think of it off the top of my head. Let me know if you're watching this and let me know what that stands for. And that's one thing I was thinking about doing a video on, is who comes up with the names of these firecrackers, because it's amazing to me. Some of the names are awesome, right? This is Dominator Fireworks, 9 shots, a little cake. And then we got Mad Ox 16 shot Happy Fireworks. This says 200 gram cake. This thing is super small, guys. Pretty heavy. So we'll check that out. And it seems like, oh, okay, so Dominator Fireworks Mighty Mini 7 shots. So this must be, all right, so I'm thinking this is a 6-pack, guys. I'm thinking this came as a 6-pack because there's 6 different ones. As you can see, they all have the same name. So obviously I don't know if they have the same, I don't know if they do the same thing, right? They're all different colors, but they all say Mighty Mini. So we'll see. So there's 6 of those. Then we'll move on to Evil Clown, 16 shots. Now, clearly, guys, I got this for the kids. I mean, Mason, who's in most of my videos, he's obsessed with evil clowns for some reason, and he's 5 years old. So that could be an issue later on in the future, but right now we just let him kind of do his own thing. He loves the clowns. Thought this would be real cool for him. This is Cutting Edge Fireworks, 16 shots, 200 gram cake. And the artwork on this thing is sick, right? Evil clown with a, I guess that's a cigar in his mouth. Don't smoke if you're under 18 and watching this video, all right? Then we got Oh My God Fireworks. And this is the Hornet's Nest, 100 shots. This thing is super heavy, actually. We got 2 of these. So we'll see how those go. Check those out. Then we got Pyro Diablo. And this is the, I'm gonna butcher the name on this one, guys. Retrosaurus. Oh my lord. All right, guys, I can read. So it's Retrosaurus, 9 shots. This is pretty cool. And now this was a 4-pack. This is a Dinosaur 4-pack, right? So you got that one. Then you got the 9-shot T-Rex. Then we have a 9-shot Spinosaurus. And a 9-shot Mr. Rex. So basically, our second son, Hunter, he loves dinosaurs. So I was like, all right, cool, that's cool. Let me pick up those cakes and you know, keep him interested, right? And then here's another. Now this is a 4-pack. This is another 4-pack. Now this says, this is from Oh My God Fireworks. So you have Catapult. Wow. No, those aren't the names. Sorry. But this is Rowdy Rampage Silver Cyclone. And then if you look, wait a minute. I'm so confused, guys, because this says, oh my god, fireworks. And then on the boxes themselves, they say Dominator fireworks. So I'm extremely confused. Maybe you guys can let me know if it's the same company or not. But I'm definitely super confused on this packaging. But we have Silver Cyclone, Diamondback, Catapult, and Rowdy Rampage. And they're all by Dominator fireworks. So I don't get this, oh my god, fireworks. Maybe you guys can explain that to me. I don't know. Now, here's the Creeper. This is by Dominator Fireworks. It's a 7-shot, 200-gram cake. And, I mean, basically, if anybody has kids or you're way younger than I am, you've probably spent some time dealing with Minecraft, right? Let's be honest here. So this is why this cake is in my box, right? Minecraft, 5 kids, believe me, they're gonna enjoy that. Then we got Frag, 200 gram. I don't see the shot count. I'm not really sure, guys. There's 7 shots right there, real small, 7 shots, Frag. I think we have this one already, but it's all right, we got it again. And here's some, oh my god, snaps again. I don't know where they came from. I think they might have thrown them in, because every time I got a shipment so far from them, they give me a little pack of firecrackers free with my order. So that's pretty good. Now let's move on to Thunderstorm, 16 shots, Dominator Fireworks. I watched the video multiple times on this one, guys, and I just really like it, to be totally honest with you. I ordered 3 of them so I can mix it into my show a little bit. So that's 1, 2, and 3. So we'll move those over to the side. Let's see what this is. All right, so here we got Hell's Gate, 15 shots, Dominator Fireworks. This thing looked pretty cool too. This is another 200-gram cake, I would imagine, by the size of it. Pretty sure it's a 15-gram cake. Yeah, 15-gram cake, guys. 200-gram cake. The artwork's pretty good. I like it. It looked pretty cool, and it had some pretty interesting effects. I don't know if you guys could really make those out, but it had some pretty cool effects to it. So, you know, that's why it's in the box. Okay, what do we got? Hold on, it fell out of the baggie. The guys in the warehouse were probably using these before they shipped them out, right? So we got Monster Pops. These are the adult snappers. Pretty loud, they're fun. Bang Snaps. Let's see. Are these the regular ones? Oh no, these are different. Look at these. Let's see what they do. Oh no, I dropped them all over the floor. Alright, let's see. Oh, guys. They're just a bigger version of a snap. They're not good at all. I definitely don't recommend those. Those are cheap. Garbage. Dominator Happy, 6 shots, 200 grams. This thing is super small. I don't know. We'll see what happens when we light it, right? Alright. Now, let's go with this first. So we got Dominator Fireworks SWAT Team, 500 grams. It's got some really cool display going on here. This is 20 shots. Check it out. You know, everything I buy pretty much, if they have a video, I watch the video on it, and if I like it, I order it. I don't really go by what everybody else tells me. I like to watch the videos and see them for myself. So here we got Fisherman Fireworks. This is Superman, and this is a 200-gram 25-shot cake. I just wanted to see it, guys. Superman is pretty cool to me, so I definitely wanted to check this out. But since we got DC in the house, we had to go and pick up the Fisherman Hulk 25-shot 200-gram cake as well. So these, we're gonna put these up against each other, guys. So check out the Marvel versus DC firework display, right? I mean, that's the thing I can come up with right now off the top of my head. Now we got Walking Evil, 16 shots, and this is by Pyro Demon Fireworks. And some of these different names, I mean, I'm sure you guys have heard of them and stuff. I really never heard of them. When I lived in New York, I always went to Pennsylvania to pick up fireworks, because in New York fireworks are illegal, right? So I used to just go to Phantom Fireworks all the time, and you know, I never really heard of all these names and stuff until I moved down south. We're in Tennessee now, and then we had all the basic stuff: TNT, Southern Boom, and I can't think of the other one off the top of my head, guys. But so all these new, since I started looking online and stuff and finding all these new names, I'm interested in trying them out for different years, you know. So I'm sure you guys heard of them, but I haven't. So Sunwing Neon Strobe, 18 shots, 200 grams. This thing really looks good to me in the videos, but you know, we'll see. We're gonna light this thing off real soon and check that out. I was happy about that. Now, I was looking for daytime stuff, right? Because where I'm at, our time to light off fireworks is 6 to 10. Is everybody gonna go by that? Probably not. But you know, it really doesn't get dark where I'm at until like 8:30 at night. So from 6 to 8:30, I'm trying to find in fillers that I could do and keep the kids occupied, and plus me, you know, I want to drink beer and light off fireworks. So the minute, you know, 6:01, I want to have like 4 fireworks lit off by 6:01, right? So this right here, Smoke Trails by Maddox, 200 grams, 16 shots. These things are cool, guys. If you have not seen these yet, these things are cool. Perfect for daytime, and they're super fun, if you ask me. It does all different colors, and it's all smoke trails, and so I'm super excited about that. But I bought 3 of those, so I plan on doing one Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday, hopefully. Or I'll probably just like it so much I'll just do them all at the same time or same day, whatever. But definitely let me know what you guys think. That's about it for this video. Let me know if you tried some of these, have some of these, lit some of these off, which ones you hate, which ones you like. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Just basically do whatever you feel like doing while you're watching this video. How about that? But comments are great. I'd love to hear from you guys. It's been fun, you know, over the last year. I really started kicking in all these videos, and I can't wait to put on a 4th of July show. Obviously, you know, I'm not just about fireworks. I'm gonna have, you know, projectors going and fireworks on the projector and lights and all that other stuff involved in my 4th of July show. So I hope you guys stick around and check that out. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video because this one's super long today. But yeah, I hope everybody's staying safe, and I really appreciate you guys. Keep coming back, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.